This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Sharon Weber. Island living at its best. Maintenance-free lifestyle on the Intracoastal Waterway. Top floor 3-bedroom condo unit west/a totally remodeled eat-in kitchen west/gorgeous wood cabinetry, granite counters, stainless steel appliances, movable island, pantry, nook and wraparound breakfast bar. Open great room with a wall of glass sliders out to the patio balcony and panoramic view of the river. Master suite west/river view, his and her walk-in closets, soaking tub, walk around in shower and DBL sink vanity. 2 large guest bedrooms and a full ensuite guest bath too. Inside laundry room and more. Tons of amenities including 2 heated pools, clubhouse, exercise room, sauna, tennis and basketball courts. Lovely boardwalks around the property to enjoy the resort-like atmosphere. Gated community, secure lobby and garages. For more information